Hello everyone, it's me, Yulitom, and we're back to another game. For today's video, we will play Side Hustle. Yeah, we're back to another day of uploading every day until the end of December. Today we're playing Side Hustle. It's another horror game because why not? Let's play. Okay, where's my W keyboard? Okay, meron na. Wow, my PC can handle, oh my goodness. It's handling my... Who are you? Wait, let me check. Can I pause? Yes. Let me check if the recording is fine. Okay, I just check it. It's fine. Okay, let's get back to the game. Okay. Okay, there's already a weird guy. Oh my goodness. Oi! Oi! Who are you? Hey, Gary. Going to work this early. You ugly as... You ugly. Hey there, yes, it's going to be a busy day. Yes. Good luck, Gary. Oh, I'm going to play on the playground. Turner. Okay. Bye, Turner. You scared me. Hi, is this my job? Are you my job? Okay, where's the job? Oh, this is the job. Yes. Carpets. Carpet value, Gary. Hi. Why is it so dark? Ah! Oh my goodness. Alright, time to start the day. I should turn on the lights first. And flip the open sign, of course. This is scary. I don't like playing horror games. Why am I doing this to myself? You know what? Next video, I'm gonna play Roblox or something. I don't know. I might get a virus downloading random games on itch.io. Hey! Who are you? Hello, Gary. I need a new rug for my apartment. Can you get me a blue rug? Oh, thanks, Gary. Holy cow. Light. Hello. Blue rug. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's a curtain. Hello. Oh my goodness, I'm lagging. Hello. I'm clicking you. What? Huh? Am I blind? Is this not color blue? Is this color blue? Is this color blue? Oh, that's color blue. Oh my goodness. This rug is nice. I'm going to put it down immediately. Goodbye. I forgot the name already. Oh my goodness. Goodbye. How much money did I make? Where the new customer? Hello. Oh, someone's coming. Oh my goodness. Hello, welcome to the shop. Hello, old man Pat. Hello, Gary.
Hello, Gary. My wife Edith sent me. We need to buy a new carpet because she thinks our old one is haunted. She thinks the carpet moves every time we leave the house. Can you get me a nice white rug with crosses on it?
Coming. Thank you. White. Is this white? Yes, that's white. You want this? Thanks, Gary. I hope she...
I hope she will like this one. Otherwise, you will see me again tomorrow. Sorry.
Hi. How much money is that? 167. We have some different kinds of. Oh no! We can hide. Hey! Hello! Hello! Am I speaking to Gary? Yes, this is Gary. That's what you call it? I know what your shop is really for, Gary. You can hide it forever. Soon everyone will know. What am I? What am I? Probably just a prank caller. I'm too tired today. I should go to shop early. Time to turn off the lights and flip the sign. You know what? I'm staying the light. I don't care. No, I'm opening this. Oh my goodness. Who was that? I know, I skipped. Must be God. I'm over today. I hope tomorrow is going to be better. Why did the... Bye bye. Oh my goodness. First jump scare. Second day. Who are you? Look, this town got strange feel to it. What do you mean by so? Everything feels off, as if something's going on. I'm getting out of here. Oh, that's why you're in the bus station. Hey, where's the guy here? And where's Turner? Where's Turner? Turner. Oh, Turner. Can I talk to Turner? No, I cannot talk to Turner. Okay, let's go. Ah! Bro. Another day at the store. By the way, Gary, can I tell you something? What is it, Turner? There was this man here earlier. He was asking a lot of questions about me. But I didn't say anything, I promise. Oh, we can jump. Can I jump? Oh, yes. Jump. Hey, how can I get up there? Oh, fine. Can I... How do I get up there? Can I crouch? There's no crouch button. Ah, never mind. We can't get up there. Something's off. Someone's in my... Okay. Just I heard the delivery truck is coming. I should go outside and get my package from the truck. I can put the boxes in the back of the store on the floor. Hello. I'm lagging. What is that? There's collectible. Okay. What is that? Lucky Lanes. What is this? Gutter Night. Play from free for free each day. Oh, is this the other game? Hi. Chill so far. I'm already getting goosebumps. Okay. What are you?
I see you got some new inventory.
Any good stuff in there?
I need some exclusive goods. Yeah, we got some fresh stuff, good stuff. I've been waiting. I've been wanting some for our last deal.
Let's go inside. Goodbye, truck. Close the door. Hey, why you close the door on me? That's the king of hello. Let's get to the business, Gary. I saw you come in with some nice green rugs. Get me one of those. Those looks nice. Yeah. Okay. You say so. Green. Is this green? That's yellow. Is this green? That's red. Is this green? No. Yes, this is green. Oh, is that? Ah, yes, that's the good stuff. Hey, boy, there's someone there. Oh yeah, I'm doing good. I will be. I'm going to enjoy this carpet. See you around, Gary. Whoa, who are you? Hey, what are you doing? You know what you're doing is wrong. Yet you still do it. What do you want? You know what I want. I want you gone. You and this innocent little business. You've hurt me, and now I'm gonna hurt you soon. Hey! Jimmy, I mean Turner. Welcome to business, Turner.
Hey Gary, can you walk me home? I'm scared. That creepy guy came after me again. He won't leave me alone. Will you help me? Of course, Turner. Thanks, Gary. I feel so much safer already. Stay close, please.
Why are you closing the door on me? This is my shop. Something's bad about to happen, like literally. Turner, this is not good, Turner. Someone is literally watching us somewhere. What? Do you hear that? My volume is max. I can't hear anything. I'm hearing something weird. Like someone is breathing. Bro, I max volume. I just realized the recording stopped. Okay. So update, Turner got kidnapped by the weird guy. Oh my goodness. I did not notice when I clicked this button. It stop the recording. Oh my goodness. Okay, update. Turner got kidnapped by the weird guy again. And what in the world is that? By the way, it's the next day. I close up the shop. Okay, let's do this. What do you guys want? Hey Gary, we saw what happened with the boy. Don't worry, Gary. We'll keep your what secret? That outsider can't stop us. Yes, Gary, don't worry. That face. We'll keep an eye out as well. That guy can't stop us. By the way, I really love that rug I bought the other day. The material feels so soft like skin. I knew it. It was human. I mean, like fine wool, best quality in town. Oh, they're always taking of us, Gary. The other don't understand what we do. That stranger, he thinks he's helping, but he doesn't see what you're giving this town. Pat stepped closer, lowering his voice. Every wag has its story, and we're proud to walk on them. Hey, yo. Thanks, Pat. I know I can always trust you. I always, Gary. Till the end. You earned that. Hey, Gary, I mean, you just want things to stay the way they are. That man, the one asking question, he's scaring people. I don't really understand everything, but if you say it's fine, then I trust you. Don't worry, Eddie, we're safe with you. Yeah, you always look after us. Guess I just have jumpy sometimes. Sorry, Gary. What now? Man, this is getting out of hand. Just keep the school running and see everything just fine. Just pretend it's all normal. Yeah, open up, smile, sell the rugs like nothing is wrong. Hello. Okay, we're just gonna chill. Who are you? Are you a police? Oh, it's the guy. Diba? Good morning. I hear you sell high quality rugs. Yes, I do. You're not from around here. That's right. I'm just going home from a road trip. Though I thought I'd get myself a nice souvenir. Can you get me a red rug with yellow patterns on it? I'm looking at you. No. This is not. Do you want this? No. Yellow patterns. Red rug? Yellow patterns? Oh, here. Oh, it what? Red. Red with yellow pattern. Is this it? Red with yellow pattern. This is perfect. I love this color, especially the yellow. This will look really nice in my home. How much is that? Oh, another prank color. You should really start being more careful, Gary. Your store was unlocked the whole night. What did you do? You will find out soon enough. Very soon. Oh, hell nah. Don't tell me they hide something here. Something's not right. Something's not right. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna get jump scare again. No, what am I supposed to? What happened here? When I go home, close the shop. You did this. Hello, Gary. It's time to settle this. You and your business. What do you want from me? What I want you to remember her. Hair. You turned my wife into one of your rugs, Gary. You made her disappear. I'm Daniel, the husband of woman you skinned and made into rug. You gonna kill me? Hello. Third day. Daniel's view. Okay. Oh, it's the third day. Okay. Hello, Turner. Please don't hurt me. Why did you take me here? I know you're scared, but I'm not here to hurt you, Turner. I pulled you out because Gary wants to hurt you. What do you mean? He's just a rock guy. Everyone says he's good to us. That's why they want you to believe, but you're felt it, haven't you? The rug, the smell. Gary makes rugs from people's skin. That's what he did to my wife. And what he will do to you. No, you're lying. That's not real. Gary would never hurt me. It is the truth. But I'm going to end this tonight. I won't let him hurt you and anyone else anymore. I should get the gas gun and be on my way to Gary's store. Okay, there's the gas gun. I already had it. Oh, wait, what? I'm here? Bro, Daniel took Timmy down there. Time to burn this place down. I should cover this place with gases and fire. Gary is in the back, so I should be fine. Time to confront Gary. He should be in the back of the store. You finally showed up again. It's time to end this, Gary. End this, you fool. Even if you kill me, the town will still want to arise still. They need me. No, Gary, this ends here with us. For my wife. Goodbye. Wow. Oh my goodness. R.I.P. Gary and Daniel. Ain't no way. Who is that? Is that Gary? Oh my goodness. Bro, Gary's... Is that Gary? Oh my goodness. Hi guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ay, is the game finished? Yeah, it's finished. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this game, and if you want more, then subscribe and tell me what to play next. Goodbye!